morning, dear student. I hope you are safe in this pandemic and you are excited also to learn the new concept in ninth standard. So you already started the ninth standard. First of all, we have to thankful for the board of management. They provide this channel to interact with you. So you already know that in ninth standard the maths having two parts. One is maths 1 and other is maths 2. So you started the maths 1 first chapter. Now we have to start the second part, that is geometry. And in geometry there are different chapters are there and we have to start one by one. So in this geometry total marks are 50, that is theory for 40 marks and 10 marks for internal, and maths 1 maths 2 both having the 100 marks. So in geometry we have to study the first chapter, and that chapter is basic concept in geometry. Now we start the first chapter, that is basic concept in geometry. So this chapter carries maximum 10 marks in 9th standard. So afterwards I will give you the weightage of all the chapters. First, this chapter carries a maximum 10 marks. Now before going to start the chapter, the main highlights of this chapter I will explain you. So in this geometry first chapter, the today's highlights are: the first is point, second is line, and third is a distance between 2 points on the number line. So now we go one by one. Now first, the geometry start with a point. You already know that the geometry start with a point. Now what is point? So point is undefined term in geometry, but you can say that point is a dot made by a sharp pencil. The point doesn't have any dimension, only it shows the position, and it denoted by a capital letters or any capital alphabet. For example, point A, point B, point C, point D, in this way. So this is short discussion about the point. Now the next topic is line. The next concept is line. Now you already learned the concept line in your previous classes. Now what is line? So line is also undefined term, but we can define in short. A line is a set of points which extend both sides indefinitely, so infinitely. So this is called as line, and the line having both sides headed by arrow. Now how to denote the line? When you take any 2 points on the line, the 2 points are necessary to denote the line, that is A or B, AB, line AB, or in single you can say line L, line P, line Q. In this way also you can name the line. So this is a second concept, that is called as line. Now the main concept, that is third concept, distance between any 2 points on the number line. So we already learned the number line in 8th standard. So how to draw the number lines, how to denote the different numbers on the number line. Okay, so this is the number line. So I already drawn here the number line. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. And the naming is given here O, A, B, C, D and E. Here P, Q, R, S and T. So this A point having the coordinate 1, the B point having the coordinate 2. Similarly, the Q point having the coordinate -2. These are called as coordinates, and these are the points. So point is denoted by alphabet and coordinates are by numbers. So now we have to know how to find out the distance between any 2 points, because there is positive coordinates are there, negative coordinates are there, 0 is there. So how to find out the distance between any 2 points on the number line. Now this is the formula to find out the distance between any 2 points on the number line. So the formula is distance is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. For example, in this number line, the point P having the coordinate -1 and point B having the coordinate 2. So you know the coordinate of both the point, that is P point and B point. Now you have to find out the distance between these 2 points. So the formula is, you already know that distance PB is equal to the coordinate, greater coordinate is coordinate of B, that is 2. So 2 minus smaller coordinate is -1. So you can write -1. So it is 2 minus plus. So 2 plus 1. So distance PB is equal to 3 units. You get it now? So how to find out the distance between any 2 points? So now in practice set 1.1, so come to this side now. In practice set 1.1, so this number line is given to you. This is O, A, B, C, D and E, and here H, J, K, P and Q, and the coordinates are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. Get it? Now you have to find out the distance AB. Now how to find out the distance AB? The same formula you have to use and find out the distance AB. So first you have to write down the coordinate of A. The coordinate of A is plus 1. The coordinate of A is plus 1 and the coordinate of B is 2. So which is the greater coordinate? Yes, 2 is the greater coordinate. So point B is having greater coordinate. So therefore the distance AB is equal to 2 minus 1. That is 1 unit. 2 minus 1, 1. Now the second is, you have to find out the distance KD. See here, K is -3 and D is 4. Now which is the greater coordinate? 4 is the greater coordinate. So it is having D point. So now here distance KD is equal to, now see, coordinate of point K is -3, coordinate of D is 4, so greater coordinate is 4. So therefore distance KD is equal to 4 minus -3. Okay, so this is the formula having the minus and this is the coordinates having the minus. So 4 minus -3. So it is 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So 7 unit. The distance between these 2 points is 7 unit. Okay. Now we go to the next
distance